Today, I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to add your Canva designs directly into your marketing emails in HubSpot. If you want your emails to stand out with beautiful visuals, and you're tired of jumping between platforms or struggling with clunky uploads, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to seamlessly bring your creativity from Canva straight into HubSpot, so you can send emails that look as good as they sound. Let's dive right in. For this tutorial, I recommend using the HubSpot and Canva integration. It's by far the smoothest and most straightforward way to get your designs into your emails without any headaches. First things first, start by opening your HubSpot account and heading over to the email editor. You can find this by navigating to Marketing, then selecting Email. Go ahead and create a new email draft or open an existing one if you're updating an old campaign. This editor is kind of like your control center for how your message will look and feel. Just think of it as a blank canvas, ready for you to bring your brand to life. Next, let's add your Canva graphic. Over on the left-hand sidebar in the HubSpot editor, you'll see a list of different content modules. Look for the one labeled Image. With a simple drag and drop, pull that image module into your email layout, right where you want your design to appear. Maybe you're placing it at the top for a bold header, or perhaps you want it nestled between blocks of text. Wherever it goes, this is the moment your email starts transforming from plain to polished. Now, let's get that Canva design in there. Click on the new empty image box you just added to your email. A small button will pop up, usually labeled Select Image. Go ahead and click that. This opens the File Manager panel, which is basically your digital library of all the images and files you've used or uploaded in HubSpot. Here comes the part where your Canva design makes its debut. In the File Manager, look for the Upload icon. Sometimes it looks like a little cloud with an arrow pointing upward. Click it, and a window will pop up asking you to select the image file you want to add. Make sure you've already downloaded your finished Canva design onto your computer beforehand. If you haven't, it's easy. Just go to your Canva project, hit Download, and choose a common format like PNG or JPEG. Once you're ready, select that file, and HubSpot takes care of the rest, uploading your graphic right into your email. You'll see a preview of your image pop up instantly. If the sizing feels off or something looks a little blurry, don't worry. You can easily swap out the image or adjust its dimensions within the editor. Sometimes it takes a few tweaks to get it looking perfect, kind of like arranging photos in a scrapbook to get just the right fit. And there you have it. Your Canva masterpiece is now part of your marketing email in HubSpot. This integration really streamlines your workflow and keeps everything looking cohesive, so you spend less time fussing with files and more time creating content that connects. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides. Drop a comment if you've got any questions, whether it's about HubSpot, Canva, or just email design in general. I'm always happy to help. Good luck with your next campaign, and I'll see you in the next video.